Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this practical video, I will guide you for steel reinforcement details in the construction of floor beam with RCC slab, also for some technical terms which can help you. If you want to build your house or if you are working on construction site, if you are civil engineering student, so watch this video till the end to guide you for steel reinforcement details for different RCC structures. Let's get started, guys. As you can see, this is floor beam construction, which size is 12 by 18 inches, depth is 18 inches, width is 12 inches, 4 numbers of steel rods at the bottom, 2 at the top, dia is 16 millimeter, and the length between or the span between two columns is here 24 feet. Next, guys, you can see the lapping length. How to provide lapping length? Where is the best place to provide lapping length? And also we have some technical terms, especially for lapping length. So let me guide you also. Guys, you can see the slab steel reinforcement dia is 12 millimeter with the spacing of 6 by 8 inches, main bars and distribution bars. And steel reinforcement of the slab is inside the beam, but they provided lapping at this place, guys, you can see, which is about 2 meter. But this is not the proper way or proper place to provide lapping length. This is the place to provide extra steel rods or bent up bar, or you can say crank bar, to resist negative bending moment. But they provided lapping, so this is one of the danger place in the construction of RCC slab or beam. Next, guys, you can see this spacing is 6 by 8 inches. Main bars and distribution bars dia is 12 millimeter. The plastering tape is being placed on the joint between shuttering. We don't have any gap. So this is one of the best way for shuttering construction. As you can see, the spacing of stirrups is here 8 inches. Die of stirrup is 10 millimeter. Hooks are bent on 90 degree, but this is not the proper way of this bend, or you can say the hooks should be provided on 135 degree to resist with earthquake. Unfortunately, they did on 90 degree. If you are working on construction site, if you are studying, or if you want to build your house, so keep this point that the hooks should be provided on 135 degree, and the hook length should not be less than 3 inches or 75 millimeter. Guys, you can see clearly. Also, they provided 3 steel rods. 2 are side bars. One is extra bar at the distance of L by 4 in this floor beam to resist negative bending moment. If you see in tension zone, we have 4 numbers of steel rods. In compression zone, which is upper portion, where we have 2 numbers of steel rods. Because concrete is weak in tension, so we provided more numbers of bars in at the bottom portion, and concrete is strong in compression, so therefore we provided 2 numbers of bars in upper portion. Design of floor beam or plinth beam or any RCC slab is depend on the structure load of the building. According to the structure load, according to the bearing capacity of soil, we are able to provide design of footing, design of foundation, etc. So therefore, if you are working on construction site, or if you want to build your house, if you are going more than 2 story, so you should hire the structural engineer to give you this proper structural design, which can help you. Guys, you can see this is the junction between beam and column. We have extra steel rods at 4 directions. That's why, because from every side we have L by 4 distance. But at the distance of L by 4 in the construction of RCC slab, lapping is not allowed. They provide it. Lapping is allowed at the junction, or lapping is provided, should be provided after L by 4. As you can see, also they provided there. And the standard length of the steel is 12 meter or 40 feet from the factory. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.